Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn PHP arrays. What is arrays and why we require to use arrays in programming? You will be known very super easy answer regarding this. Let's see here in PHP, I have a declared here with one variable called travel and equal to by assigning an array value. See, in PHP, just simply type array and open and ends with the parenthesis. In between, I'm adding some like a strings, flight, train, taxi, car, and bus. These are the items. Means multiple strings I have added here. So-called array means it will be used and function for multiple data items. It's very super easy. All right. So the array, what is the purpose we are going to use? Earlier session, we have assigned a value of like a variable to one shaker only. Now using the array, we can able to use and assign within a single variable with multiple string items. Not only limited to the string, any number, float, anything, it can be possible to assign within the array. Right? Now see here, and this particular array variable item, I'm going to read to print how it would be. See here, and this is the constant text I have added here, like within the double quotes. And by making the dot means concatenation, joining of two or more strings or things. All right, like see here the travel of this variable of like making the braces of standardization like a left and right braces here within the zero and try like see here this is the same variable is copied here itself by making comma and a dot means in like appending the things, and within the double quotes I have added like a dot dot means appending the things here like one travel of one travel of two means what it is going to be printing here. Like you see here, very simple array will starts from 0. All right, the strings are reading from 0, 1, 2, it will read. How many I have given? 1, 2, 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 means 0, 1, 2 means 3 items I have a space here. Now just save it and run the output. Yes, refresh. I like travel on flight, train and taxi, it is coming. All right, 3 things. And I would like to add more before the time, like after the time. Let's see how it is. Just see here, take this copy. Very simple. All you want to know about it to take a copy and make sure the functionality. Comma and paste. Now, what to do now here? Simply 0, 1, 2 this is and 3. I'm changing the value of array value. And if you put the position of 3 here, the array of the 3 item will be printed here. As you wish to make sure to print the things. Okay. Now save this and reload. Wow! Flight, train, taxi, and car. See the items are how it is going to be accessing, like reading the array things. So called, it's very pretty easy. I hope you are aware to understand about to handling and writing the arrays and usage of it, how to read the arrays and what is the purpose we are going to using arrays. You will be known. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.